Good morning, friends. Myself, Payam Harde, presently working in Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. So today we have see the engineering graphics, first year mechanical engineering subject. So in that we see the how to complete the concepts of engineering graphics. Firstly, we see the basic syllabus and marking scheme of the engineering graphics. So let's start. So today we see the engineering graphics syllabus. So subject title is engineering graphics and subject code is 22002. Again I repeat, subject title is engineering graphics and subject title is 22002. Okay. So next is a competency. What do you mean competency? The aim of this subject to help the student attaining the industry competency through various teaching learning experiences. So prepare engineering drawing manually and prevailing the drawing instrument. These are the competency of engineering graphics. Again I repeat, prepare engineering drawing manually using prevailing drawing instruments. Next is course outcome. So in this there is a course outcome. So we see the course outcome after few times. So teaching and learning scheme. So in that teaching learning scheme there are the 2 lectures and 4 practicals. Weekly 2 lectures and 2 practicals. So 4-hour practicals. There is a no theory exam for engineering graphics subjects. So there is a practical end semester exam. Practical end semester exam 50 marks. So in that there are the internal marks of 50 marks end semester exam for engineering graphics subject. And next is a practical assessment PA, that is a 50 marks, but out of that 30 marks for practical assessment and 20 marks for micro project. So write down this, out of this 100 marks for exam. So write down this. So let's see the syllabus of, firstly see the marking scheme. So in that we see the first unit, principle of drawings. So in that there is a 4-hour teaching required and there the marks are 4 marks for teachings. So engineering second unit is engineering curves and loci of the points. In there is 6 marks. So third orthographic projections, it is this unit is for 10 marks. Next isometric projections, this unit is also 4 marks, 10 marks. Next isometric projection, these units also 16 marks. Next freehand sketches, these unit also 12 marks. So these are the units used for graphics. So one by one we see the syllabus of our subjects. So there is a unit first. So it in unit first there is a unit outcomes for our subject. So in that we see the drawing subjects. So first unit is basic of drawings. So in that first 1.1 is a drawing instrument and their materials, how to use them, how to identify them. Then next is a standard size of drawing sheets which is used in drawing. Next, letters and numbers. In that we see the letters and numbers. Next is a lines and their applications. Next, dimension techniques. Next, geometrical construction. So it is very important for geometrical construction. So next is the engineering curves and loci of the points. In that we see the concept of focus, directrix, vertex for conic section. Next, method to draw ellipse by arc of circle method, concentric circle method. Next, method to draw parabola by directrix focus method, rectangle method. Next, method to draw hyperbola by directrix focus method. Next, method to draw involute circle and pentagon. Next, method to draw cycloid, epicycloid, hypocycloid. Next, method to draw helix, spiral, and last is slider crank mechanism. So firstly see the all concepts. So next is unit 3 orthographic projection. There are the unit outcomes. Next is ortho projections, orthographics, isometrics, concept and their applications. So orthographic projection, first angle, third angle method, their symbols, conversion, orthographics into pictorial views. In there are the so many problems. You solve at least 10 to 12 problem, and out of these to solve in sheets. So ortho convert 3D into 2D. This is a orthographic projections. So write down. So next unit is isometric projections. In that, isometric scale and natural scale. So what is a natural scale? What is isometric scale? We know the very well. Next is isometric views, isometric projections, and their use. Then illustrate problems related to simple objects having plane, slanting, cylindrical surfaces. Converge orthorhombic views into and projections. So write down this. Firstly, unit 4. So next, पुढचे लिहून घ्या. So next is a unit 5, freehand sketches. So freehand sketches of machine elements like thread profile, nut, bolt, set screw, washer, locking arrangement. So these are the freehand sketches. So in that we see the freehand sketches means simply draw the figures with the help of freehand and with the help of pencil and scales. So with the help of this you can achieve your goal. Okay. So write down this. So last is COs. In next lecture we see the, so what is a CO? देशमुख सर तिकडे असते. So CO, first draw geometrical figure and engineering curves. Next, draw the views the given object using principle of orthographic projections. Third, draw isometric views of component using orthographic projections. And fourth, draw drawing codes, convention and symbol as per engineering drawing. So draw the freehand sketches of elements. So these are the COs. So in this way we complete the total syllabus of EGM. So write down this CO. So in this way we complete the syllabus of engineering graphics. Thank you.